Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ChatGPT error something went wrong. If this issue persists, please contact us. You simply need to open ChatGPT and open this. And here you need to click on try ChatGPT. And sometimes you can see an error of something went wrong. If this issue persists, please contact us. So if you are facing this error, so click on write me an essay about tech, and once you write you will see an error here, but as you can see that I am not facing any error right now. So if you are facing error, you simply need to refresh your current browser and then you need to try again. Once you've done that, your issue will be resolved. But if the issue still, you simply need to upgrade to plus, because sometimes it happens in free version as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.